Hello, as you know, I'm Kainton the Genius, and today we continue from step 2 on our Selenium tutorial series step by step. In the first step, we set up Selenium on Firefox. If you have not gone through that, then you can go through it, but if you already have Selenium set up, then you can continue in this step 2. So we are going to record a test script using Selenium. So let's go to Firefox. So at this point, you can see this icon here is actually Katalon automation recorder, which is also Selenium, but the latest version that can work with the latest version of Firefox. Alright, so to record a test script or a test case, sometimes these things are confusing. So at this point, you have this is test suite, which is collection of test cases. So we are going to record a test case. So I created this new test case called my test case. Okay, so now what I'm going to record is activities that take place on a browser. Actually, Selenium is a record and replay tool, as is being called. So I'm going to record activities that take place in the browser. Alright, so I'm going to click on record, and then I record a test case. Alright, so we are going to visit a site, or maybe google.com, and then search out something and then visit the page, and maybe carry out other activities. Alright, let's click on record to start recording. So if you click on record, it starts recording. So let's go to google.com. Okay, so we're in google.com at this time. So as you can see, it begins to record things. The first one is open. That represents when you open a web browser by entering a link. The second one is a link. Okay, so let's go to a page. Let's say Python the Genius. This is actually my blog. So take note, the next item says click. ID is equal to LST dash IB. We are going to learn of this later on. Type, that means the entry when I types into the search text box. Send keys means when I press the enter key. But let's just maybe go directly to my blog, Python the Genius at blogspot.hu. So let's just go directly in there. Okay, so now I have this top 10 short automation testing interview questions. So I'm going to click on it, and it opens up this page. Okay, so right, I'm going to fill out a form in this page and then submit. Why I'm doing all this differently is so that you can recognize different types of actions that can be recorded. So let's say Python the Genius. My email, let me just enter a random email. As you can see, some pop-up of what is being recorded that comes out. So let's just say whatever. Okay, Python T Gen at ymail.com. Okay, the message is I love these tutorials. Let's say somebody have read my blog and he's sending me a feedback. Please continue. I have subscribed to your channel and I like your videos. Alright, so after entering this, take note of what is happening. You see type, a contact form, email address, and message. So I click on send. Alright, so you can see what is being recorded. Alright, so let me exit by closing the browser window. As you can see, it also records it. So at this point, I have recorded a test case. That is step 2. I have recorded a test case. Now we'll proceed to the next part. Now what I'm going to do is I've closed the okay. I can leave this open, so I can stop recording. I think it was still recording. So what I'm going to do now is to replay this, because that is the next step. Run the test script or play the test script. So I'm going to play the test script and we see how it carries out all these actions I performed. So let's just click on play and then watch what happens. It opens the browser or it goes to Katalon. I'll show you how to modify to remove this initial page. Katalon added their home page to our script. I don't know why they did that, but that is actually what they did. So at this point I came to this blog, this place, and later went to the browser to enter the actual address. So let's see if it gets there. Okay, let's see. Alright, good. So now we have a problem here. It says link top 10 show automation testing interview questions. So this is a failed test. So as you can see, there is nothing like that in this place. Okay, so what we are going to do is that let's continue. Okay, let's try to play again. So it always fails at that point, so that is the problem. It says elements link top 10 not found. Okay, so I'm going to stop this tutorial now, and in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how exactly to correct this error. I'd like to thank you for viewing.